At least 150 people are reported killed and 1,100 wounded in Israel after the Palestinian militant group Hamas launched its biggest attack in years. Dozens of gunmen from Gaza infiltrated southern Israeli communities after dawn under the cover of heavy rocket fire. They have taken both Israeli soldiers and civilians hostage, and some have been brought back to Gaza. Israel has responded with a wave of airstrikes on Gaza that have killed 232 people and wounded 1,600, medics say. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu said Israel was at war and vowed that Hamas, which rules Gaza, would pay an unprecedented price. The Israeli military has mobilized tens of thousands of reservists and is now expected to launch a ground operation in Gaza. This is one of the most serious escalations in the Israel-Palestinian conflict in years. The attack by Hamas saw fighters cross the perimeter fence just after dawn. At the same time, barrages of rockets were launched from Gaza, some reaching as far as the cities of Tel Aviv and Jerusalem. How the gunmen managed to penetrate one of the most heavily fortified borders in the world is unclear. The Israeli military has said dozens of fighter jets are carrying out airstrikes on Hamas sites in Gaza, and it has hit 17 Hamas military compounds. It also said it has mobilized tens of thousands of reservists.